Hi, welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. My name is Coach Erin. I'm a physiologist, yoga instructor, mindfulness facilitator, and wellness coach. I'd like to move you through this guided meditation aimed at surrendering anxiety and embracing a sense of peace and calm within yourself. Please find a comfortable seated position or lie down, whatever feels most relaxing for you. Get cozy, get quiet, and allow space to slow down. You can gently close your eyes, taking away the external distractions and leading yourself more internally to connect with your physical body, your heart, and your mind. Let's begin by noticing the breath, breathing in and out through the nose. Notice the quality of your breath. Is it smooth and balanced? Or did you come into the session with more choppy, irregular breath? Without judging or criticizing your breath, just bring awareness to it. Notice how it starts to smooth and even out, just as you simply become aware of it. The breath can be an anchor to help you ground to the present moment. Sometimes our mind likes to go forward and worry, anticipate, hyper-focus, or sometimes it likes to ruminate in the past. Our mind rarely becomes present. But if we anchor our mind to our body is always in the here and now. It's always present. And so in this present place, we can experience more peace, more joy, and build our practice of resiliency. Let's begin by noticing your body as it's sitting or laying down. Notice how it feels touching the surface, how your feet, hips, back, head might feel. Just connecting with the physical body and seeing if you can release any tension that you might be gripping or holding on to in this moment. The breath is easy, in and out of the nose preferably. And we're just starting to settle a little bit. Feel that natural rhythm of your breathing. Notice how you expand in the middle torso area on the inhale, and as everything relaxes on your exhale, allow your breath to continue to anchor you to this present moment. As you continue to breathe consciously, start to bring your attention to any areas in your body that are holding tension. With each exhale, check in and see if you can release even further. If there's any discomfort you might be holding on to, can you allow yourself to soften the grip and feel your body becoming more relaxed and at ease with each breath? I invite you to visualize anxiety as a cloud of energy surrounding you. And it might feel heavy or constricting. Notice how this anxiety manifests in your body. Perhaps as tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your pelvic floor, the belly, stomach. Maybe it's tightness in your chest or a racing heartbeat. As you observe these sensations, remind yourself that anxiety is a temporary state of being. It does not define you. You have the power to release the grip. You have the power to surrender, to let go, to choose a different action, to either feed your anxiety or to feed things that support your well-being. You have agency in your health. You are not a victim. You can be victorious and use your anxiety as data to help you get into alignment in all the areas of your well-being. Using your anxiety as a teacher, as a friend who's warning you something is out of balance on a deep level And you can start to make adjustments in your lifestyle to better support how you manage stress. Imagine yourself gently surrendering this anxiety, creating space between you and your anxiety. You are not your anxiety. Acknowledging and gently surrendering. Breathing in and breathing out. Visualize yourself letting go of the grip, the need to control or fight against it. You may feel tired from anxiety, from the constant hypervigilance. Can you release that with compassion and love? Embrace that child within who needs to feel safe. Remind yourself you are safe, you are loved. Rest in this knowing as you build yourself up and you encourage yourself. Instead of allowing yourself to flow with the natural ebbs and flows of your emotions, start to see if you can choose different thoughts. Our thoughts lead to our emotions lead to our behaviors. So what's something you can think about in this moment that's going to fortify your resilience? Maybe it's a powerful I am statement. I can do this. I am strong. I am calm. I have peace. I am capable. I am loved. What's something that's resonating with you in this moment? As you surrender the anxiety and let go of the closeness you might have to the symptoms and the feeling, I want you to pick up something, a thought, a mantra, a saying, something that you can anchor to that feeds that resiliency, that feeds the vision of where you want to be. And I know that's more free of suffering from anxiety, to a place where you may not be anxiety free, but you're learning to manage it and work with it and learn from it and grow. So we choose a more powerful thought. And I want you to think that thought as you focus on your heart center. Start to feel a warm, comforting light glowing in your chest. It's radiant, it's vibrant. Shining the light from the inside out. This represents your inner strength and resilience. With each breath, allow this light to expand, filling your entire body with a sense of strength, vitality, yet peace and tranquility. Repeat to yourself, I release my attachment to anxiety. I surrender to the present moment and I embrace. I pick up peace. I choose peace. I am not my anxiety. I am peaceful. I am calm. It is well. Just allow these words to wash over you. And reconnect with the heart center as you continue to breathe this feeling and sense of surrender and peace within you. Reminding yourself you are safe, you are supported in this moment. If you're spiritual, you can start to close in prayer, taking a few more moments to bask in this feeling of calmness and serenity. Absorb the peace that resides within you. It's available to you when we slow down and we connect. When you're ready, and there's no rush, you can stay here, pause the video. But if you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Little movements, wiggling the fingers or the toes, slowly opening your eyes, Maybe bringing a smile to your face and allowing that to light up the body, releasing oxytocin. You can do hard things. You can make adjustments in your lifestyle to better support your resiliency to stress. Believe in yourself. Believe in this learning process. Continue to learn to be more mindful, loving, accepting, and always learning and growing. If you need more support on your journey, my name's Coach Erin. I run a 60-day live private coaching session where we meet weekly and we learn how to use the breath and other mindfulness tools to support anxiety and stress in your life. And we also use wellness coaching techniques to help you make lifestyle changes that will build resiliency. I'm available for a free 30-minute discovery call if you would like to connect with somebody, if you think coaching could be your next best step. And finally, I'd like to thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you carry this sense of surrender and peace with you always. Continue to take in what works for you and release what doesn't. Breathe well.
Welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. We're here to help you connect within from the comfort of your own home, to help you overcome stress and anxiety through guided breath work, mindful meditation, and somatic movement practices like yoga and Pilates. You can also partner with one of our certified health and wellness coaches so that you can make positive, lasting, and sustainable changes in your health and well-being. For more details, check out Breathe Well Coaching.